In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change measurement units in Microsoft Word. This simple setting controls how Word displays sizes for your ruler, margins, indents, tab stops, and more. It's especially helpful if you're following a guide that uses centimeters instead of inches, working with a design that specifies points or picas, or you just prefer a different unit that makes more sense to you. Start by opening Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, go to the top left corner and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view where you can access the program's main settings. At the bottom of the left-hand panel, select Options. That opens the Word Options window, which contains all the controls for how Word behaves. Inside Word Options, click Advanced. The Advanced section holds a wide range of detailed preferences. Now scroll down until you reach the Display section. You'll see a variety of settings that affect how information appears as you work. Look for the option labeled Show Measurements in Units of. This is the switch that tells Word which measurement system to use. Click the drop-down and choose the unit that fits your needs: inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, or picas. If you're unsure, here's a quick guide. Inches are standard in the United States and common for printing specs. Centimeters and millimeters are widely used internationally and are great for precise metric-based layouts. Points and picas are traditional print and typography units where 72 points equal an inch and 6 picas equal an inch, making them handy for fine-tuning text and layouts. Once you've selected your preferred unit, click OK to apply the change. Word updates the interface right away. From now on, your ruler along the top and left of the document, your paragraph indents, tab stops, column widths, table dimensions, and page setup measurements will display in the unit you picked. The content of your document doesn't change. Only the way Word reports sizes does. That means a 1-inch margin becomes a 2.54 centimeter margin when viewed in metric, but the margin on the page stays the same physical size. A quick tip: choosing a unit that matches your project's requirements can prevent rounding differences and makes collaboration smoother, especially if your team or client uses a specific system. And remember, this is a program-wide preference. Word will remember your choice for future documents until you change it again. That's it. You've successfully changed the measurement units in Microsoft Word, giving you clearer, more consistent control over your document layout.